Hello friends, welcome to Excel World YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to split the text in Excel. So in this line number 4, we have the text which is which is a, which is the combinations of serial number and the car manufacturer and the number of vehicle produced, which is there in a single column, sorry, single cell. So now we want this to be split as per the header name. So we want the serial number should be there in serial number column, and name of the car manufacturer should be there in the car manufacturer name, and the number of vehicle produced should be there in the number of vehicle produced column. So now we want to split this data. Before that, we need to identify uh, which factors we need to use to split this data. So first, uh, after the serial number we have a dot and the hyphen, which is separating the car manufacturer name and the number of vehicle produced. So we can use this factors to split this data. So let's see how to split this data. Uh, so just click on or select all the cells, then go to data, click on next text to columns. Now select the delimited options. So we have two options over here, fixed width and delimited. So I'm going to select the delimited options. Click on next. So here we have a list of delimiters, tab, semicolon, comma, and space, and other. I'm going to use the other options. So in the space, enter dot. So this will split the serial number from this data. So look at the data preview. This showing the serial number separated from this data. So now just click on next and finish. Now look at here, we have a serial number 1 to 10 which is separated successfully in placed in column serial number column. Now I'm going to follow the same steps to split the car manufacturer name and the number of vehicle produced. Go to data text to column. Again select the delimited as option. Click on next. Now select the other options, and instead of dot I'm going to replace with the hyphen. Now look at the data preview. It has separated the car manufacturer name and the number of vehicle produced. Now just click on the next option, click on finish. So now the now the data is separated as per the header name, serial number, car manufacturer name, and number of vehicle produced. I hope you find this helpful, uh, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Thanks for watching and have a good day.